Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for a nearby store on the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that tap on stores, which is the third option within the first category. Here you can see the map on the screen, and you can use the search bar down below in order to search for a nearby store. So all you have to do is typing in your location, and here you can find the available options and stores, so click on the relevant one. Here you can set it as your store by tapping on this button on the right side below the X icon. Here you can see the address of the store, the opening hours, and other features as well. If you want to get this store, you can click on the directions to this point option, click on open map, and then you will be able to find the directions to this store. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.